guys, it's La Sugar's Beauty. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and also like, comment and share. Thank you. So this is going to be a very detailed eyebrow tutorial for beginners. So first thing you want to do is getting your brows either threaded, waxed, tweezed or carved with a blade. For my model here, I carved her brows with a razor blade off camera. So the next thing you do, you wipe your brows to take off any oil in there. So now I'm priming the brows with a Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. So the next thing you want to do is brush upwards and outwards, then upwards again to do the bottom outlining. So for outlining, I'm using the black Opal Brow Pencil in EYEBROW. I'm just going to list the product I used in this video in the description box below. So I'm just doing outlining on the other brows. Brush and blend downwards. Brush downwards, sorry. Okay, now I'm doing the top outline. Now I'm doing the top outline with the same pencil. Guys, make sure your pencil is very sharp when you're doing your outlining. You need a very sharpened pencil. You can actually use a brow gel to do your outline, but for this video, I'll be using a pencil. So now I'm filling in the brows with another brow pencil. It's a Yanga Beauty Browlution pencil. It's a Nigerian brand. So I'm just filling in lightly and blending on my spool at the same time. You apply and blend at the same time. So I'm just blending like so. There's actually a spoolie that comes with the brow pencil, like at the other end of the pencil. It comes with a spoolie. I always forget to use it. So for the beginning part of the brows, you don't want it to look too dark like the other part. So you're just going with light strokes, like feather-like strokes. You just brush it up, take it from the down part to the upper part, like just light strokes, feather-like strokes. So I'm just doing the same on the other brows. Fill in and blend. Okay, fill in and blend, yeah. Okay, now I'm using the spoolie at the other end of the brow pencil. This pencil is very nice, guys, trust me. Browlution Yanga Beauty pencil, very, very nice, especially for light-skinned people. So now I'm just doing like the feather-like strokes at the beginning part of the brows. If you notice, I'm not going with it too. I'm not as in the pressure. I'm not putting too much pressure on the beginning part. Just light strokes. You want to make sure the starting of your brows is as natural as possible. If there's a word like that, sorry. Okay, so I'm still doing same. Filling in and blending at the same time. Filling in and blending at the same time. You can actually... Okay, now here I'm just withdrawing the outline. It wasn't that visible, so I'm just redrawing it and blending at the same time with the same Browlution pencil. Yeah, so that's that for outlining and filling in. So next thing you want to do is to clean or sculpt the brows. Now I'm going to use a light concealer, like 2 shades lighter than her skin, to sculpt her brows to my desired shape. The concealer I used here, I mixed 2 different concealers. I used the Milani 2-in-1 concealer in 02 and LA Girl concealer in Pure Beige. Note that for the beginning and end tail of the brows, I won't use the same shade of concealer I used under the brow bone. I'll grab her skin shade in either foundation or concealer. So what I used here was her foundation shade. I used the Huda Beauty foundation in Massiatto. It was too light, so I mixed it with Maybelline Superstay foundation in Warm Sun. So you want to use the same foundation you're going to use all over her face for the beginning of her brows and for the tail of her brows, and also for the top. You don't want to go in with very light concealer at the tail of the brows and also at the beginning. So now I'm blending with an Inglot blending brush. I'm just blending. To the other brows. Just cleaning the brows with a very light concealer under the brow bone. And if you notice the difference product I use at the beginning of her brows, it's not as light as the one I use under the brow bone. So you want to make sure you get the brows as twin as possible, if not then sisters. Twin as possible, if possible. So now I'm just blending. So for the top of her brows, I'll be using a foundation shade for the top. So just get this same shade for the beginning and the tail and at the top of her brows. So you're just using 2 to 3 concealer shades lighter than her skin under the brow bone to clean the brow bone, to highlight the brow bone, sorry. So I'm just cleaning the top. So okay, also make sure at every point your brush is very sharp and thin, flat, not sorry, flat, yes, flat. That's when you can get a very straight and sharp brows. Yes, your brush is meant to be like very, very flat when cleaning your brows. And also make sure the tail of the brows is sharp like so too. So I'm just doing the same on the other brows, cleaning and blending at the same time. Blend it up. So now I'm going to grab my brow set. Okay, now I'm going to grab my brow set. It's the MAC brow set in Girl Boy. There are so many amazing brands out there. You can also try out if you can't get your hands on this particular one. If you're in Nigeria, you can try the Bloat brow set, the Milani brow set. So many of them out there that are very nice. So now I'm just blending with my spoolie. With my blending brush. And we are done. Hey guys, please tell me what you think about the brows. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed this video. So okay, I finished up. I set the brow with my Milani, lighter shade in Milani, and also with a translucent Massiatto setting powder. So we finished off this look off camera, but if you want to see how I achieved this look, I mean the entire look, like the eyes, lips and all, kindly let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below, and also tell me what you think about the brows and the type of look you want me to create in my next video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.